There's a brand new community out in Dripping Springs selling homes in the 400,000s, and the builder is already selling off home sites even though the models aren't even open yet. So you've been looking for something that's affordable in the area, this one might be for you. Today, I'm going to give you a first look at Village Grove. We're going to go over the location, the floor plans, the pricing, and who this community might be a great fit for. So Village Grove is the newest community in Dripping Springs featuring homes by Taylor Morrison. This is very new. They just released pricing this week and they have not yet finished the models, but there are opportunities to get an early start in that community. I recently spoke with a sales rep and they said that the models should be open by the end of April. So think of this as your first inside peek at everything that this neighborhood has to offer. I will also be dropping more in-depth videos once the models are open and we have even more information. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on that one. So let's start with location because this is where Village Grove really stands out. This is located in Dripping Springs, so you still get that calm, peaceful hill country vibe that so many people are looking for, but it is so convenient because you're just a couple of minutes from downtown Mercer Street. You're right next to the Dripping Springs Sports and Recreation Park, which has walking trails, soccer fields, baseball fields, sand volleyball, basketball, and playgrounds, plus plenty of picnic areas. So it's really easy to have an active, healthy lifestyle. It's literally within walking distance, depending on where your house is in Village Grove. Something else I love about this design of the neighborhood is that there are two entrances coming in and out, which is going to help a lot with traffic flow. So there's an entrance that goes right off of Ranch Road 12. If you take that out, you are right next to a huge H-E-B. If you're not from Texas, H-E-B is the biggest grocery store chain, and it's very important to be located close to a good one. So you're right there, just a minute or two drive. There's also another exit that will take you out on 290. And what's great about that is that it is further into town, so you're not going past downtown Dripping Springs or where the high school is. So you can avoid a lot of that traffic buildup during school zones and just get straight out and on your way into Austin. Let's talk now about the builder, the floor plans, and the pricing. So everything in this community will be built by Taylor Morrison. They are a well-known national builder. They have lots of communities all over Austin. In Dripping Springs, they exclusively built in Founders Ridge. They have also built in the first phases of Parton. So they have been around in Dripping Springs, but in this neighborhood, they're going to be offering some smaller floor plans, but with still a lot of variety in here. So Village Grove is not going to be a mega community like Calaterra or Headwaters. It's going to be more of a boutique community with a few hundred homes in there. It will be more in line with what I would say Cannon Ranch feels like right now. If you've been looking at that one's exclusively built by Ashton Woods. This will be a similar type of feel, but built just by Taylor Morrison. The nice thing about a boutique community is that I feel like it can be more tight-knit and there's lots of opportunities to really get to know your neighbors. Being a smaller community, it does not have any plans for a big amenities center. There's only plans right now for just some walking trails, maybe some picnic areas. But again, you are right next to that sports and recreation park, so you've got a lot of amenities right there next door. Now, Taylor Morrison will be building on both 40 and 50-foot lots. In the 40-foot section, they have a total of 6 floor plans, and there's 9 floor plans on the 50-foot lots. They're going to range anywhere from around 1,500 square feet to just over 3,000 square feet. So if you're looking for something that's very small and just easy to maintain, you can find that. If you're ready for a move up with a little bit larger space, you've got some options there too. Now, pricing is going to start in the 400,000s up into the 600,000s. It's going to depend again on the size of the lot, the amount of upgrades you put into the home, and also the size of the overall floor plan. But that's still a great price range to get into Dripping Springs, your zone for Dripping Springs schools. And again, you are in a convenient location. So in this price range, Village Grove will give you another alternative to neighborhoods like Big Sky Ranch, Heritage, or Cannon Ranch. So it's just another area that you can look at if you're not into maybe the floor plans or the designs and some of those other communities. This could give you another alternative that you might like better without stretching your budget too far. So who is Village Grove ideal for? I would say is great for anyone who values convenience and just being accessible to everything. Someone who is okay with a little bit smaller size, low maintenance yard, and who wants to get into Dripping Springs at a more approachable price point. This is not going to be the community for you if you're wanting more amenities like swimming pools, a fitness center. This is not going to be the right fit for you. Or if you're wanting more space, bigger yard sizes, this is also not going to be the right fit. You should probably be looking at Calaterra or Headwaters. But if you want that simplicity and convenience, then Village Grove should definitely be on your list of places to check out. So as I mentioned, right now you're just at the beginning of the neighborhood. So what's exciting is when you're one of the first people in there, you have your pick of everything. So you can choose where you want to build your home. You don't have to worry about inventory being, slim. And you can get the floor plan, the design, everything that you want. But as the neighborhood starts filling out, sometimes you are limited on where you can build that floor plan. So as I mentioned, the models are not open yet, but we can still book appointments with you to go check out the opportunities there and to start reserving home sites. So if that's something that you're interested in doing, just connect with me using my contact information below in the caption. And like I said, if you're wanting to see other similar types of neighborhoods, definitely check out my full tours on Heritage and Cannon Ranch after this one. I'm Shannon Mangan. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.